What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, Jean Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. For today, we're back for another MMFF 2024 official entry reaction video for the official trailer of Strange Frequencies, Taiwan Killer Hospital. Ito nga ay pinagbibinahan nila Enrique Hill at Jane De Leon. Naku, may isa pa palang horror movie for MMFF 2024 this year. Kaya naman nakaka-excite guys, kasi diba, isa rin sa mga inaabangan sa MMFF, yung mga horror movies before, yung mga Shake, Rattle, and Roll, di ba? Ganyan yon. Kaya naman ito exciting kasi may bukod sa Espantajo, merong another horror movie sa MMFF at nakalagay dito hashtag reality horror. Naku, ano bang tema ito? And of course, ito din ay official trailer at sinut ata ito sa Taiwan. Kasi nga from the title, Taiwan Killer Hospital. Naku, ano ba ito? Yan ang ating abangan for today. But before we proceed guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh my god guys.
You're what?
Uy, wait lang guys. Nakakatakot naman agad. Ang creepy.
I thought I heard something. What?
Oh,
Fuck. What the fuck?
shit. Hold on guys. Hindi ako sanay sa mga ganitong movie. May pagka Blair Witch. Nakakatakot. Umpisa pa lang to Trailer pa lang to Naka full volume kasi ako kaya naririnig ko ng bongga.
Babe?
What the fudge? Ow!
Ethan?
Oh my god, guys, nakakatakot. Para siyang Blair Witch Project type of movie and real. Totoo ba to? Is it a true event na pinasok nila yung hospital? Ah! Oh my god! Nakakatakot. Ah! Shit! Oh my god! Parang ayoko na ituloy. Mag-isa na ako sa bahay today, guys Parang di ko carry, kinikilabutan ako. Don't watch alone. Join us on the big screen. Oh my gosh.
Welcome to Strange Frequencies, the first ever Filipino live streaming show from the most haunted places in the world.
Jane, can you hear me?
Ang seryoso ko nakita. I promise, may nakita ako kanina.
What the fuck is that?
May nakita ko kanina. Kaya nakita mo ba yun, Ted?
Totoo ba yan? Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Oh my god. Nandito rin pala si Rob Gomez. Siyempre, ano na to, di ba? Special effects na lang yan, di ba? Totoo ba to? Ang creepy shit. From the producer of Mati X.
Strange Frequencies is the next project that I'll be producing under my own production company.
And
We all want to
yeah,
do something different, and we're all willing to take that risk. How many things if lagi?
sa Taipei talaga siya.
I
my
promise to do
God.
everything that I can to make the show a hit.
Uy! Alexa!
Uy, grabe. Face your fear. Oh my god, guys, ang ganda. Parang, alam mo lahat naman na panood kong trailer, lahat sila talaga walang tapon. And this one is very interesting, guys, kasi parang first Filipino movie na ganitong tema, na horror, na very live, no? Alam mo yung iba, umpisa pa lang yung trailer, natakot na ako.
Paano kaya pag lahat tayo namatay dito?
Fear of missing out.
Mga horror
Oh my
movies,
God.
yung mga magkita yung unang namamatay tayo magiging pangkat.
Fear of missing cloud.
Seriously, Enrique, thank you so much for inviting us
Oh,
here.
they're
That is
playing
supposed
their
to be 1 week
own
ago pa.
character.
Mga weird shit nga doon, may mga nagre-ritual kung ano-ano nangyayari.
Shit. Ah!
Sana lahat ng followers mo punta sa channel.
Oh my god, ang ganda. New content in
For the
theater.
cloud chasing.
For the cloud chasing. Kabog, nandito si MJ Lastimosa. There you have it, guys. That is Strange Frequency Taiwan Hospital Kinemerod. Grabe. Ano ba to? Title na to, Taiwan Killer Hospital. Oh my God, guys. In fairness kasi matatakotin talaga ako and I don't watch horror movie alone. Sa Espantaho, medyo prepared tayo doon kasi napanood natin yung teaser. Ito, first time ko siyang napanood and first time ko nakita yung tema ng trailer. Grabe, first 30 seconds ng trailer. Ang creepy, nakakatakot, and hindi ko alam kasi but the way that they show the context of this film, para siyang Blair Witch Project. Kung yung mga titos and titas of the 90s, i-search nyo na lang yung mga Gen Z dyan, mag-search kayo yung Blair Witch Project. So, ganitong tema siya. Tapos yung, yung mga may hinihilang gano'n, yung mga CCTV footage na na movie din, ganung tema. But ito, it's a content type, no, na title is Strange Frequencies, and they're going to the scariest places to parang to explore, 'di ba? At ayun na nga, grabe. So they are they are portraying their own self. At nandito sila MJ Lastimosa. My God, interesting, and sana magkaroon ng ang tawag dito, magkaroon siya ng international screening yung MMFF, no? Or kaya ilagay agad nila sa Netflix or any platform na mapapanood ng mga OFW kasi nandito tayo sa Malaysia. And I saw that Eric Mati is part of this film, maybe production, or I don't know if the story's from him. So for sure it's gonna be a hell scary movie, and aabangan natin to. Nakaka-excite, and congratulations kay Enrique Hill sa kanyang pagbabalik sa MMFF, and also Jane De Leon. Syempre abangan natin yan. Kayo guys, ano masasabi nyo? Ayokong ulitin yung trailer talaga. Gusto ko siya panoorin dire-diretso, pero wag na lang. Wala tayong kasama sa bahay for today. But of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo at pasensya na sa aking pagsigaw at pagmumura, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.